In this video, we are going to talk about Metaverse millionaires, how real estate investing is exploding in virtual worlds. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Real estate is experiencing great success in the world of the metaverse, as is the emergence of luxury goods. Most importantly, more and more people are investing in virtual luxury homes on these emerging technology platforms, with prices continuing to soar. From fashion companies to virtual land sellers, the metaverse appears to represent the next frontier of virtual real estate trading. This is a new opportunity for landlords who want to expand their real estate portfolio beyond the confines of classic economies, equities, real land, or recently cryptocurrencies. Tech platforms are leveraging blockchain technologies and asset tokenization, offering the ability to sell or rent digital homes on these platforms. Users will also be able to invest in virtual assets such as land, vehicles, and buildings by simply purchasing the tokens associated with these assets. These digital platforms are revolutionizing the real estate industry, offering a new class of investments for those seeking diversification and income opportunities in the real estate market. If you want to invest in the metaverse, one option is to focus on the real estate sector. Just like in the physical world, even in virtual worlds, it is possible to buy and sell real estate at a certain profit. You can do other operations too. The possibilities of making money investing in digital real estate have already been demonstrated. In the Second Life game, some people have become millionaires by buying and selling land. The upside for one is that there are more metaverses out there to research and find great deals to buy. Furthermore, real estate in virtual worlds is still a good investment right now. The metaverse was born a few months ago. What would have happened if you had bought so many bitcoins the first year this cryptocurrency was born? Today, you would be at least a millionaire, if not a billionaire. The metaverse and virtual property. The metaverse is a virtual area that is shared by multiple virtual worlds and platforms. It provides consumers with an immersive and integrated experience that blurs the distinction between reality and digital domains. Within the metaverse, virtual real estate includes virtual land, properties, and digital assets. Ownership of virtual real estate provides users with new chances for creativity, social connection, and financial benefit. The value of virtual real estate is derived from its scarcity and digital ownership. Virtual land, like traditional real estate, has a finite quantity, which drives up demand and value. The exciting metaverse real estate market. Demand for virtual land is growing. The increased number of metaverse users and platforms has resulted in a significant demand for virtual land. Investors appreciate the market's potential for expansion. Various investment opportunities. From owning virtual land and houses to investing in virtual businesses and brands, the metaverse provides a wide range of investment opportunities. Digital collectibles and art. Aside from virtual land, digital art and collectibles have significant value in the metaverse, attracting both art fans and speculators. Investing in virtual real estate. Virtual real estate is viewed by investors as a long-term investment with the potential for significant financial appreciation as the metaverse expands. The ability to own virtual real estate allows investors to express their creativity by developing and building one-of-a-kind virtual properties. It also allows social interactions with other metaverse users. Investors can create virtual enterprises on their properties to provide services or experiences to other users while monetizing their assets. Because the virtual real estate market is still in its early stages, it is susceptible to market volatility and speculative fluctuations. The regulatory landscape for virtual real estate is still evolving, which creates uncertainty for both investors and platforms. Virtual real estate platforms are not immune to security breaches and hacker efforts, necessitating stringent security measures to safeguard user assets. Virtual real estate can be used as collateral for virtual loans, allowing investors to use their virtual assets for other purposes. Conclusion: the tremendous rise of the metaverse has created new opportunities for virtual real estate investing. Investors are seeing the potential for capital appreciation, artistic expression, and social participation in the booming metaverse property market. Virtual real estate platforms such as Decentraland, Cryptovoxels, The Sandbox, and Somnium Space provide investors with a variety of ways to participate in this expanding sector. While the virtual real estate market has great potential, it also confronts problems such as market volatility, regulatory uncertainty, and security issues. As the metaverse and virtual real estate markets evolve, integration with traditional finance, such as tokenization and collateralization, may increase the attractiveness of virtual real estate investment. To successfully manage the complexity of the metaverse property market in this changing world, investors must stay knowledgeable and watchful. So this is our today's video. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel or hit the bell icon. We will meet again with another interesting topic. Till then, stay safe and stay happy.